In this video, let's talk about our Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers safe. Quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stuff of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each Tesla Model 3 hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers installed. Installed Hubcentric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, Hubcentric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers ensures safety, and is almost always save money in routine maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage Hubcentric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The Hubcentric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process. We can see there have three steps, 1 step and 2 steps and 3 steps. This Hubcentric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. A machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensure a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage Hubcentric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheel safe all the way. Cooling Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation boosts to make brake cooling better, distribute impact to shape. These boosts allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are some more notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. Also, BONOSS active cooling Hubcentric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. If you want to get the Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.